Hello everyone, I am Batuhan Kural and I am student at İzmir Katip Çelebi University in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Firstly, I want to talk about the purpose of the project. The purpose of the project is to develop the Trex game which is made before. While doing the project, I used PIC18F87K222 microprocessor which has a device of PIC18F46K222 RAM capacity because this project needs too much RAM capacity and I used 100% of it is. I tried to differentiate the game by adding new features such as main menu, language selection, sound on-off setting, and health system. So, let me start the game. By the way, the language of the game is selected as Turkish default, but you can change them from settings. When the game starts, the player will see a blinking press a button text and a text which includes my name and surname. As you see, after the player pressed one of the interrupt buttons, the player will be redirected to the main menu. Main menu contains three different titles. They are Start Game, Settings, and About Me. Firstly, I want to show Settings section because I am going to change language and also show you turning sound on off. When the player set the sound of the game as on, there will be an alert sound as you hear. Now I am going to set the language as English. I set the language to English and all the texts in the game turned into English as you noticed. About Me is a section which includes a text that briefly introduces me. I am not going to explain my code in this video. If you want to revive it, you can check my GitHub account. I shared source codes of the project, also protest file from there. Now let's back to our topic. I am going to press start game. After the player presses start game, a difficulty selection menu appears, as you see, which has options easy, medium and hard. After the desired difficulty is selected, the game will start. I will continue with easy mode. According to the selected difficulty, the score multiplier will change. By the way, you can use this button to jump above the objects. I finished the game successfully, as you see, with 3 healths. This one is the ending screen for easy mode. Now I want to show you autopilot mode. You can activate the autopilot from this button. When you press it, it will be activated and you don't have to do anything for jumping. It will be automatically. You can deactivate it by pressing again. Now I will set the sound off and play the game again. I mute the sound. Now I will play in medium difficulty. As you hear, there is no sound. The volume is muted. This is ending for medium mode. I want to show ending screen for hard mode. As you see, when the difficulties increases, the game speed will be increases too. And this is ending screen for hard mode. Now I will change the language of the game to the Turkish and want to show ending screens again. I will open the sound of the game. Also, I want to talk about the health system that I added to the game. At the beginning of the game, the player will have 3 lives. After the 3 failure, the game will over. I want to show the game over screen. As you see, the game is over. By the way, the health system also affects the score of the player. The player completed the game successfully with more lives will get more score. I want to explain about it. I will finish the game with 3 lives. As you see, my score is 10,920. Now I will finish the game again. Now I will finish the game with 1 health. My score is decreased, as you see. And this is the ending screen for hard difficulty when the language is selected as Turkish. That was all I can talk about the project. Thank you for listening me. See you later.